So much talk about our broken relationships that we forget there is a thing as broken friendship. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Shades of Wadito. In today's video, we are going to look at those reasons why our friends leave us. The first reason is they don't feel respected. Respect is such a huge value. And so when people feel violated, they tend to react and possibly withdraw. You ought to respect your friends down to your differences for the friendship to hold. The second reason, you grew apart in values. We often don't acknowledge this, but people grow apart. And as we grow, the things we admire, the things we cherish, the things we hold dear to our heart tends to change. It could be due to a new environment, education, work, name it, or a position we have attained. So sometimes when we attain this position, we tend to drift, not purposely, but because what we cherish at that point in time, what used to make the friendship dilly dally, has changed. The third reason, they don't feel emotionally supported. Can your friends be vulnerable with you without you judging them? Can they open up to you and you support them, or you just feel like, oh, it's nothing, you can get over it? Do you connect with their emotions? Do you feel their pain? Do you share in their joy? Fourth reason, betrayal of trust. It could be not paying back a debt. It could be, letting out information they have given you in confidence. It could as well come as backbiting just to win a favor. The fifth one, you don't trust them. Some people have come up to me and say, I don't trust my friend. And I'm like, why don't you trust your friend? And they go saying, I don't want to be at the losing end if things go south. And so when people find out that you are so fragile with them, when they are vulnerable with you, when they trust you, when they can go all out with you, but you keep withdrawing because you feel that things may go wrong, then they tend to go away because you are simply letting them know that you don't hold this friendship in high esteem just as they do. That is the interpretation I have given it. Let me know if you disagree with this point in the comment section. The sixth reason, they can't contain you. They feel so overwhelmed when you are in their space. You may not see this as a challenge, but for people who are spontaneously kind, they tend to get this resilience from friends because those friends cannot, or sometimes may not be able to equate the level and the energy of love and care they bring. So they tend to withdraw. They feel you are doing too much for them. They feel that you are too good to be true. That is the way I put it. So they either think in themselves she has an ulterior motive, or they feel they are so undeserving that they may not be able to pay you back, and then they begin to withdraw. They begin to withdraw not intentionally, but because they feel overwhelmed, they can't contain you, you are too much for them, they can't match your energy. The seventh point, you are self-centered. There are people who think about themselves only in a friendship. What will I gain? What will or how will this friendship benefit me? That is all they think about. And so, if you are a self-centered person, friends will definitely leave you. People tend to get attracted to those who are generous, who are selfless, because they know that they will always show up for them in their own or in their time of need. The sixth one is they are jealous of you. I know that is the point you want to hear. I know that is the very point you have been itching to hear. Yes, some friends can get jealous of you. It could be jealous of your beauty. They could get jealous of your achievements. They could get jealous of the type of favor you get. They could get jealous of the family you come from. In fact, they could just get jealous of you over, petty things, and then they tend to withdraw from the friendship. Another reason your friends can leave you or may leave you is they are not confrontational. And this is no fault of yours. Some people, when you hurt them, they may not have the guts to come up and discuss why or what hurts them in your action. It could be something you have done directly. It could be something you have done indirectly. It could be something you have also done consciously or subconsciously. But because they feel that discussing this with you may put you off, may make them lose the love, you know, they feel that you may withdraw the love you have for them. They just crawl back to their shell and relax. That way, they lose the friendship. Remember, it is no fault of yours that these friends of yours are not confrontational. It could also be that when you are confronted, you don't accept your fault. The last reason they got bored of the friendship, it could be today there is a fight, tomorrow there is a gossip, next day you are putting them in trouble, the next time, in fact, there is always something coming up in the friendship. It is no longer sweet, it has gone sour, so they tend to leave. I hope you get closure from these points we have listed here. If you are thinking, what must have made my friends leave me? Think through all the points I have listed here. If you also know reasons why you may leave your friends, or if you know the reasons why your friends leave you, please let me know in the comment below and I'll be there to interact with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me still know in the comment section, what are those reasons you think that make our friends leave us or that may make you leave a friendship? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to know when next I put out a video. Till I come your way next time. Bye.